Hello. Welcome to this tutorial on building an app on Conflux eSpace using AI tools. In this video, we will create an app with wallet connectivity and token balance detection, utilizing Claude to generate the project specifications and Cursor to build the entire project. Claude is renowned for its reliability, adherence to protocols, and ability to handle tasks like reasoning, coding, and technical analysis. Cursor is an advanced tool for coding, ensuring efficiency and reducing errors in the development process. To follow this guide, you will need an account on Claude AI, Cursor installed on your computer, a MetaMask wallet connected to Conflux eSpace testnet. We begin by using Claude AI to generate the project specifications. The request includes a brief description of the project and our requirements. The app will connect to the Conflux eSpace testnet. It will display the user's CFX balance and list ERC20 tokens. Specifications for using an injected provider for wallet connection and token balance fetching are also included. Claude generates a comprehensive document containing features, tech stack, development roadmap, and file structure. This file serves as instructions for development. After a quick review and minor adjustments, we save it in the project folder. By leveraging Claude AI, we save significant time in planning, ensuring a streamlined development workflow. Next, we use Cursor AI to build the project. We open the project folder with the spec file. On Cursor's composer, we ask it to read the project spec and begin building the project. Cursor begins working on the project. It starts by creating the basic project structure, an index.html file that provides the user interface and the style.css that contains the styling for the app. This foundational setup ensures the project is well organized and ready for functionality implementation. Then, Cursor creates the JavaScript files. API handles all interactions and methods for fetching balances. Token Detector handles the token detection logic. Wallet manages wallet connection and interactions with eSpace testnet. And main ties everything together and contains the main application logic. Let's open the app and test it. Wallet connection functionality works perfectly. The wallet address is displayed correctly. CFX balance and token balances are fetched successfully. Contract address for the tokens are shown, but look bad. Let's show this to Cursor and ask him to fix it. If the app encounters errors, we can simply capture screenshots or error logs from the browser console and share them with Cursor for quick fixes. Start updating some files and finally make a summary of the changes made. The app is now fully functional and adheres to the project specifications. With the base app complete, we can now extend it by adding new features. Let's ask Cursor to add dark mode, links to Conflux scan for each token, an NFT section, and the send tokens functionality. Cursor updates the app by modifying style.css with variables for light and dark themes, enabling a toggle between modes. Updating index.html with a grid layout for displaying NFT images and metadata. Enhancing the token detector script to include NFTs detection and updating main.js to integrate the new features. Now, it's time for testing and debugging. If the app encounters errors, we can simply capture screenshots or error logs from the browser console and share them with Cursor for quick fixes. Each feature is thoroughly tested to ensure smooth functionality. In this example, the token sending function was not working properly and the NFTs were not displayed. After a few iterations, the app is polished and ready for use. Now that everything works correctly, we are ready to run the app on the eSpace mainnet. This is how you can efficiently build on Conflux eSpace using Cursor. Leveraging AI tools like Claude and Cursor not only streamlines the development process, but also opens the door to innovation by automating repetitive tasks and enhancing precision. With these tools, developers can focus more on creating impactful solutions while reducing the time spent on manual coding. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your journey in blockchain, embracing AI-driven development can significantly boost productivity. If this tutorial was helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more insights and tutorials. Feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or suggestions for future topics in the comments below. We value your feedback and look forward to bringing you more useful content.